It's in the air and up she goes. Not out, says the umpire. He's walking. Wow, there we are. That's great to see. Here we are in the semi-final of World Cup cricket, and Adam Gilchrist has played a sweep shot. They've gone up. The umpire didn't look to me as if he was going to give him out, and Adam Gilchrist has walked off the ground. That is great.
Going to congratulate and say goodbye, as opposed to Inzamam ul Haq, as it's his last match for Pakistan, his last one-day international. Nice touch and applause to him as he leaves the field for the last time as a Pakistani one-day international batsman. Emotion too much.
Well, he didn't even stand up, he just walked. Broad has picked up his second wicket in his second over. Sangakkara offering a very tentative cut to a delivery outside off stump.
This is the second time the wicketkeeper hasn't heard it, and he had the bowler for company. There it is, and just takes the catch. I've seen Sangakkara walk. I think he also believes in the Gilchrist theory that if you're out, you walk. But this time, even the bowler didn't hear it. Made life simpler for the umpire. But Sangakkara is gone, and Sri Lanka in deep trouble now. 42 for 4.
New Zealand are normally a good outfit. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Well, if Asad Rauf is calling for the stumps, discussion here now. Was the ball dead?
Well, it might just be a question here from the umpire to Daniel Vettori. Do you want him to go? We know he's out of his crease. Do you want to call him? Not call him back. He hasn't gone yet. But do you want to say? And it caused all sorts of problems. Now what happened? He just wanders out of his crease, I think. Yeah, he does. Well, technically it's out. Now, has Daryl Harper, though, called over before that hit the stump?
It was out of his ground. Out, says the third umpire. Now, whether that is far and apart from what Daryl Harper is asking here.
How deep are those scars from what happened at the Oval? I think this is what it might be about. How deep are those scars? Paul Collingwood was England's captain. He didn't call back Grant Elliott, who had an incident with Ryan Sidebottom. They ran into each other, and there was a lot of animosity. Now, there's a lot of chat out there right now.
Well, we've seen some controversy. Strauss calling back Matthews. The umpires not allowing Graham Smith a runner. Right, so we have a resolution here, folks, and forgive us for the pause in bringing you the exact information, which we shall over the course. I would assume that Daryl Harper and Daniel Vettori. Right, Daniel Vettori.
Kumble, 4 overs. And he's taken 1 wicket. Big wicket that of Brian Lara. Attacking field now for Carl Hooper. There's a slip, there's a silly point, and a forward.
Boundary side here, where there's a man who's very hard at work. His name's Andrew Lepers, and who's responsible for putting Anil Kumble back onto the ground. And I thought we'd check with Andrew. Andrew, just how bad was it? Were you surprised that Anil Kumble actually wanted to go out and play?
Well, when you see the x-rays and you see the crack going straight through the jaw and the teeth separated, yeah, I was very surprised.
There is Kumble, he's actually bowling. It gives a lot of us goose pimples, but obviously you can't, as doctor, as a physio, allow yourself to be carried away like that.
Well, it's I've got to thank the dentists, a couple of dentists here as well, that have actually tried to wire up 2 of his teeth so to hold the fracture together and stabilise it. It's basically what we call a flail segment. The jaw is just loose and flapping around out there. So the taping is basically designed to hold his jaw together. Obviously he's got some painkillers in there as well. But it all comes down to his heart. It's his heart, his courage, his determination that actually put him back on the field. No one else's influence. He said, do whatever you do, whatever you can do to get me out there. And you got Lara. Fantastic.
So, and Tendulkar is telling him. But he's not come to shake hands with umpire Srinath. Srinath is extending his arm, but you'd rather have